We are discussing important MCQs of UGC Net Paper 1. So question number 151. Which teaching method focuses on direct instruction by the teacher, often involving the transfer of information through lectures? The various options are cooperative learning, experiential learning, lecture method, inquiry-based learning. So which teaching method focuses on the direct instruction by the teacher, often involving the transfer of information through lectures? The right answer of this question is option C, lecture method. Next question. The Socratic method of teaching emphasizes options are lecture-based instruction, active questioning and dialogue, demonstration and experimentation, collaborative group projects. The Socratic method of teaching emphasizes, you can see the options. The right answer of this question is the Socratic method of teaching emphasizes active questioning and dialogue. Next question. Experiential learning primarily involves, options are memorization and rote learning, learning through direct experiences and reflection, passive reception of information, solely theoretical instruction. Experiential learning primarily involves, options you can see on your screen. And the right answer is experiential learning primarily involves learning through direct experiences and reflections. Next question, question number 154. Which teaching approach encourages students to take responsibility for their own learning and emphasizes self-paced instruction? The options are flipped classroom, direct instruction, Montessori method, mastery learning. So which teaching method, which teaching approach encourages students to take responsibility for their own learning and emphasizes self-paced instruction? The right answer is flipped classroom. Option A is the right answer. Next question. The teaching method that involves students actively exploring real-world problems and finding solutions through investigation and analysis is known as. The options are project-based learning, direct instruction, drill and practice method, lecture method. So which teaching method involves students to actively explore real-world problems and to find solutions through investigation and analysis? The right answer is option A, project-based learning. Next question. What is the initial step in the research process? The options are collecting data, analyzing data, formulating a research question, drawing conclusions. So initial step in the research process, it's a very important question and very common question. So very easy. So initial step in the research process is formulating a research question. Option C is the right answer. Next question. Which step follows data collection in the research process? You must learn all the steps of the research process. So you may get one or two questions based upon the steps of the research process. So you must know all the steps of the research process. So which step follows data collection in the research process? Options are hypothesis testing, data analysis, literature review, reporting findings. So after data collection, The right answer is we analyze the data. So right answer is option B, data analysis. Next question. What is the primary purpose of the literature review in the research process? The options are to collect primary data, to validate the research hypothesis, to provide an overview of existing knowledge on the research topic, to draw conclusion. So the primary purpose of the literature review in the research process is, so what do you think? What could be the right answer? The options are to collect primary data, to validate the research hypothesis, to provide an overview of existing knowledge on the research topic, to draw conclusion. So the primary purpose of the literature review is to provide an overview of existing knowledge on the research topic. Next question. After data analysis, what steps comes before drawing conclusions? So options are, so hypothesis formulation, designing the research methodology, peer review, interpreting results. So you have collected the data, you have analyzed the data. Now, which steps comes after the data analysis? The right answer is option D, interpreting results. Next question. What is the final step in the research process? Options are collecting data, formulating a research question, communication results finding, data analysis. So the final step in the research process is communicating results oblique findings. The right answer is option C.